Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove WooCommerce Breadcrumbs using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in product page. So we are going to remove breadcrumbs. Now go to dashboard. So scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write WooCommerce Breadcrumbs. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see setting and then you see WC breadcrumb. So click on it. Now scroll down you see breadcrumb settings and then you see enable option. So disable it and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now you see breadcrumb remove. Back to plugin setting. Now you see settings saved and we disable this option. So in this way you can remove WooCommerce breadcrumb using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.